Turning now to the aftermath of Super Typhoon Haiyan, the relief momentum has been building up in the Philippines over the past few days. Despite damage to transport links and some appalling weather conditions, international aid has finally started to trickle into some of the hardest hit areas where people are desperate for food, clean water and, of course, shelter. Kim Ji-yeon reports.
Nearly 5 days have passed since Typhoon Haiyan swept across the central Philippines, but relief efforts are proving slow. Aid workers say supplies have arrived in the country, but delivering it to the hardest hit areas is difficult as many roads remain clogged with debris. Under the heaps of rubble, the strong odor of decomposing corpses hangs in the air, exposing survivors to possible health risks.
It's really difficult. The rescuers have not yet come back, even if they said they would be after 3 days. Why have they not recovered the bodies here? It's reeking bad.
Several countries and international aid organizations have pledged assistance to the Philippines. Among them, the United States and Britain have dispatched warships to the area. The U.S. is sending its aircraft carrier USS George Washington, and Britain has deployed its Royal Navy destroyer HMS Daring from Singapore. As efforts continue, the Philippine president has suggested the actual death toll is lower than previously thought. In an interview with CNN, Benigno Aquino said the number of dead could be a quarter of the 10,000 initially reported, stressing the initial estimate made by a local official arose from the emotional trauma rather than an actual body count. The UN says more than 11 million people have been affected by Typhoon Haiyan, and some 673,000 people have been displaced. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.